Marshy, you want your favorite ball? Yeah? Here you go. Yummy? Uh-oh, get it. Silly girl, why are you over there? Bring it out, honey. That's not very smart. Bring it out here. You got yourself stuck. Oh. Wow, good job. Who's that? Uh-oh. Get it, Marshy. Get it, Marshy. Good girl. She really likes it. Look, she's going crazy. Anything left in there? Whoa! One more.
Do you want to watch the phone class with me?
Yeah, I'm videotaping her. One more, Marshy. Get it.
Oh, wow.
Marshy, get it.
How many watch are gonna be? I'm so excited.
She can't get her last one.
She'll get it.
She's like so frustrated with it. Good girl. Good girl. There's no more now, honey. Good girl. Look, she still takes the ball somewhere. Look, she likes it. It's a toy for her. Aww. She really loves it. See? She's trying to open it.
Okay, my babies, come here.
There's no more, honey. Okay, Marshy, you can't break your thing. Okay. I'll give you something else, okay?